Ashley's here with a warm-up on this Monday.
Yes, and so we are finally welcoming back the 80s, and we'll hold on to them for at least a few days before cold front sweeps through. High pressure to our south, keeping things dry for now, but instead of those crystal clear blue skies, well, we're tracking some smoke coming in from Canada aloft, and so this is wildfire smoke bringing us that milky, hazy sunshine across the area. You see moderate levels of smoke here across a good portion of the region, and you can see it distinctly here with our Belleville camera. So you have that little bit of color because the sun is behind what you would expect to be clouds, but those are not clouds. That would be smoke because high pressure has cleared out any cloud cover. So a little bit of color reflecting off of the lake. 49 degrees over at Metro Airport, 39 in Ann Arbor, 43 in Howell, 36 in Port Huron, with light to calm winds across the board. And so pretty pleasant, cool start to the day, but we're cranking up the heat a bit. We'll be right around 80 for that afternoon high, and we will have that filtered sunshine throughout the day because of the smoke that we're holding on to. Now, once that cold front sweeps through and the rain comes through midweek, that's going to push out any of that wildfire smoke trapped aloft. But tomorrow remains dry. It's Wednesday that we're tracking that front that arrives into the afternoon. So that'll bring a few spotty showers across the area, probably between 1 and 2. And when I say the area, we're talking to our north and to the northwest. Better chance later on the afternoon and evening where we have that marginal risk for strong to severe storms. Damaging wind gusts and hail would be the primary threats right now with the storms that could develop later on Wednesday. So here's a broader view of what we're tracking. That line pushing through. Now, by the time we get to about 7, 8 o'clock, I think that's when we have a better chance for some of those storms firing off. But we will be getting more high-resolution data to come in to really pinpoint that for you. Now, we could have some minor little lingering showers Thursday, relatively dry until we get to Friday. And even before daybreak, we might have some heavier showers rolling in, and we'll have a chance for additional showers and storms throughout the day on Friday. So the first half of the week is really the better part because we're cranking up the temperatures in the 80s if you're looking to hit the water, whether it's lakes, pools across the area, mid to upper 80s through Wednesday. Then those storms come Wednesday afternoon start a more unsettled pattern for the second part of the week, falling to those seasonal upper 70s by the time we get to Thursday. Then we enter a pretty seasonal stretch, so Climate Prediction Center keeping us close to average as we get into the middle part of the month. And you can already start to see that transition by the later part of the week. So 80s through Wednesday, upper 70s for your Thursday, Friday, and we still hold on to those upper 70s for your Saturday and Sunday. So seasonal weekend ahead with a mix of sun and clouds.